Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why you should not use VPN on your TapSwap. So I'm going to log into TapSwap now. This is TapSwap. You go to play, you click on play. It will bring out the mining feature where you can be able to tap and earn your TapSwap. So you can see I'm using tap boots here. That's why I'm having this 3,000 tokens here. So this is how your TapSwap should be. I'm currently on diamond, and if you want to know those who are using VPN on this TapSwap, all you just have to do is to look at the current level. If the current level does not match the number of tokens that the person have, it means that there's a problem somewhere. Now I'm going to click on this current level, which is diamond. You can see from diamond you are supposed to be in the range of 500 to 1 million. Anything above this, it means that there is a problem. So it means that you have manipulated the system. It means that you have used VPN on this app, and your account may stand a chance of being banned when this coin will be listed in the exchange. Be careful what you do on this app. Yes, a lot of people want to be faster than their shadow, but mind what you do. If you are mining this coin, make sure you are doing it in the correct way, so that at the end of the day you will not waste your energy gathering enough token, and at the end of the day you will not receive any token. You will get banned. This thing happens in a lot of airdrops. So you can see this is my current level. If you click on this angle, you can see from Master League, that is 1 million and above. You can see Grandmaster League 2.5 million and above. So if you are having a different figure on your app, it means that you have done some manipulation on the platform, and you may stand a chance of being banned. So if you want to mine this stuff, for those of you that don't know how to mine, you just have to tap. You can see. So I'm going to show you other features on this platform so that you can be able to earn more token. Now if you click on tax, you can see I have connected my Solana wallet. Join our socials. I have done that already. That's why you can see it's already ticked good. So I will tell you the kind of wallet you will use. You use Phantom wallet. So all you just have to do is you click on this blue highlighted phrase. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your Play Store. You download Phantom wallet. Automatically you can just do it and connect it once and for all. It doesn't take much time. So that is how you go about that. Now if you click on league, you can see the different leagues. So any league you enter, they are going to give you bonus. Any league you enter, they are going to give you bonus. So this one is the referral tax. So anybody that joined your platform, you will be able to receive a referral tax. So I'm also going to take you to Boost. Now in this platform, this is the place where you can earn extra coin by either you multiply your tap. This is the place you can multiply your tap. If you want to be tapping, if you want to add extra, like me now, I'm currently at 11. I'm currently tapping at 11. So in this place, if you want to increase your number of tapping, just click here. You can increase your number of tapping. This one, the amount of energy. If you want to increase the amount of energy, the energy I'm talking about is when you go to your menu, you will see down, you will see my energy is 6,500. So if you want to increase it, all you just have to do is to click on this energy stuff. You increase it. You can see the amount I need to use to increase the amount of energy I have. Now you can see recharging speed. Now the recharging speed has to do with how long it will take the energy bar to reach the maximum. So you can see my energy bar is currently moving. Now you can see how fast it is. So in this recharging speed, that's the place where you can boost your energy recharging bar. So down there you can see tap boost. In this place, this is where, in case I'm not online, in case my phone is off, this task boost will help me to accumulate enough token so that whenever I open my app, I can be able to claim the tokens. So these are the basic things you need to know. Now if you look up, you can see tapping guru. Now this tapping guru now is, if you want to increase your pace in which you tap on the app, all you just have to do is to click on this tapping guru. Let me click on it and show you what it is like. So I've clicked on the tapping guru, so all I have to do is to tap. You can see it has increased my tapping to 55. You can see 55. You can see how fast it is. That's why it's called tapping guru. So it has increased my tapping to 55. You can see. So that is why it's called tapping guru. So it has gone back to my normal 11 plus tap. Now this one is full tank. If I want my tank to full, this is my tank. This is my energy tank down there. This is 65,000. This is 6,500. This is my energy tank. So if I want this to be increased, if I want this to increase on time so that I can be able to come back and continue to tap, all I just have to do is to come to this full tank. I'll click on this full tank. It will boost this other column here. So these are the things you need to know. Now make sure you are not using VPN on this platform, because whether you like it or not, they will catch you, and by the time they catch you, you will end up losing all your coins. So it's better you don't use it, and at the end of the day, if you get up to 100 tokens, that your 100 token will count for you. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. You can tap on the subscription button and follow my channel in case I post another video. God bless you.